Hi everyone, my name is Ankush and welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. Again, I'm coming with a new concept of Oracle DBA. It's not a new concept, but basically I'm talking about the performance tuning. This is pretty much important and like whenever you go for an interview, the people will definitely ask the question based on the performance tuning. So today's topic is all about in performance also, like as we know that there are multiple topics are there, but I am focusing on something called I'll show you how you can explain the plan, how to read a plan, and what action you need to perform to improve the plan of your query. Just wanted to tell you that there are multiple other ways, are there multiple things also you can consider, but I'm giving you a heads up about that. Okay. So basically, let me share my screen with you. So as I discussed, like this is the today's topic is related to the Oracle DBA. Under Oracle DBA, we are talking about the performance tuning. So few things which we are going to do. The first of all, we are going to see about how you can explain the plan. Okay. Second thing is I'll show you what actions we need to perform. Like once you see this plan, we are going to create index, and then I'll show you how this plan is going to use the index. Okay, this is what we are going to see now. So basically what happened, let's take an example. You're going to create some table. So I'll create one table. Under that table, I'll insert some data. Consider that this data is related to the city. So we have multiple cities are there. Let's say I have some data related to the Pune. I have some data related to the Amravati. I have some data related to the Akola. Okay, so these are some of the cities from Maharashtra. Let's take an example. I want to select a data from Pune location. So basically I'll say select star from table name where city equals to Pune. Okay, so I'm going to run this command. Whenever I'm running this command, what exactly your optimizer will do if you don't use the index? So basically it will try to check each and every record. So it will go to the first record and it will see whether it is a Pune related record. No. Second, Pune related. No. Third, yes, it is a Pune related record, and then it will show you. So basically what happened here, your optimizer is going with full table scan. So basically he doesn't know the address, or he doesn't know the address of the record which contain the Pune related record. So if I want to tell you in a very layman word, let's say you are purchasing something from the Amazon, and if the Amazon person or delivery person, he doesn't know your address, he's going to see a complete society, right? This is not a good idea. That is the reason what we do, we create an index. So index is all about basically your address of your record. So you are going to tell that whenever you are looking for Pune related record, you can go into that particular record. So he doesn't need to go to the full table scan, and that's way you can increase the performance of your SQL query. So let's see this quickly, practically, then it will be a real fun. Again, if you want to learn about the Oracle DB, you can reach out to the Learnomate, and we provide the technical, theoretical, real-time, job-oriented trainings. Okay. Now what I will do, I'm already here. Let me clear the screen. So first of all, what I will do, I'll just connect to the database. Okay. Now let me go to the pluggable database. So I have one pluggable database here with the name container equals to PDB prime. Here I'll create one temporary table. Okay. I'll create one temporary table. Alter session. Okay. I have misplaced alter session set container equals to PDB prime. So I have created this table. Now what I need to do, I'll create one table first in order to make you understand about how to explain the plan, how to go with the index scan and all. Let me create one table. So I'm creating one table with the name Learnomate students. Under that table, I'm going to insert some 100,000 record. So let me do that. And now this table is related to the Learnomate students. So basically it is a student table which has the data related to the students from different city. Even though you have a data related from different city, but I want to select the data from Pune location only. So what I will do, first of all, since you have inserted the data, let's gather the statistics. Okay, it's so that it will your optimizer will have information about this table also. So I'm gathering the statistics. Now what I will do, I'll say explain plan for which query? This query. So I'm going to select a data related to the Pune location, and then let me explain the plan. So when I am explaining the plan, basically what I can see, it is basically going with the full table scan. This is very important, guys. You have a data related to the different cities, but I want to select a data related to the Pune location only. Which location? Pune location only. So this is when it is looking for the data related to the Pune location, it is going with the full table scan. This is a costly operation. Now what I will do, I'll create an index. This index will have information about your city column. So I'm creating an index on city column. The index name is IDX student city. You can give any name. There is no problem. Now let me explain the plan one more time. So when I'm explaining the plan, again this is going with full table scan only. Why it is happening? This is happening because you cannot give the guarantee that it will always go with the index scan or full table scan. This is completely a decision taken care by the Oracle optimizer only. So even though I have created an index, but still the Oracle optimizer is not going with the index scan, it is going with the full table scan. I'll tell you the reason behind that. So basically this decision is taken care by the Oracle optimizer only. So when optimizer is thinking that taking or using the index is again a quite costly operation, when comparing to the full table scan, it will go with the full table scan only. Multiple reasons are there. Just take an example. You have around 100 records are there in the table. Among that 90 records you are fetching, so that time it will not go with the index scan. There are other reasons are also there, but again for that we need to understand something. But let's take an example. You are thinking that I want to forcefully ask optimizer to use the index scan. That is also possible, but for that you need to understand something called SQL tuning, and there is a concept we called it as a SQL profile, but that is something which is not possible to explain in this lecture. So what I will do, I'll take that in the next lecture, but for that you just need to subscribe this channel. And again, we are coming with the new Oracle DBA training. So if you are interested, you can join and you can call our team. Second important thing is, if you want to understand everything free of cost, no problem, you can just watch this YouTube channel. Third important thing is, you can follow us on our LinkedIn, Instagram, and there is a form available in the description of this video. You can fill up the form also. Thanks.